giveaway video. My name is Alex and I am in the brand new Mammoth 1000 TRX. It is equipped with the Stage 2 off-road package, 37-inch tires, front and rear bumpers, LED lights, 2-inch level kit, 20-inch wheels. This thing is bad to the bone. And oh wait, yeah, did you hear that? 1,000 horsepower.
So we're headed to the back of our Pennzoil Proving Grounds test track here to give the people what they want. They want to know how much faster a Mammoth 1000 TRX is on 37-inch tires in 100-degree heat than a factory one. We're here to find out.
Okay, I'm ready.
Don't expect to win this race, but I'm gonna give it everything she's got. And everything it's got is just not enough. She's gone.
Easy.
Why would you drive a stock one when you can drive this?